Hi everyone, this is Dr. Matt Bizzell. I'm here to talk about common mistakes that are made in the template, how to avoid them, and how to correct them when possible. So with our first issue here, I want to talk about leader dots disappearing from the table of contents. So if we scroll up to the table of contents, and I'm using the Arts and Humanities Microsoft Word template right now, but this is true of many of the templates, you will see that these leader dots stretch all the way to the page numbers. Okay? If we go back to where I had it on our first subheading here in the introduction, you'll notice that if I type a subheading, let's say the issue with deleting leader dots, right, just for the sake of argument here. When you go up to the table of contents and you update the field, right click update field, you will see the leader dots are maintained. Okay, so there's no problem there. That works just fine, works as intended. But if you create a subheading that is under 5 characters, so for some reason if I just did that, and then I updated the field, leader dots disappear. Okay, so this is just a limitation of the template. The only thing you can do to avoid this, because we can't actually fix it, is to make your subheadings longer than 5 characters. So this really pertains to people who, sometimes I see this with microbiology, or it's just a 3-letter subheading because it says mRNA or something like that. Well, that's actually 4, isn't it? But you get my point. The idea is that it's just a single word. So my advice to you when faced with shortened subheadings, find ways to expand them. The effects of mRNA, definition of, closer look at, right? Sometimes just adding a definite article like the, and then your 2 or 3-letter subheading that would be originally be, will fix it, right? It's just a matter of trying to extend it. So this is not so much a fix, but it is something that we know has happened, that scholars in previous years with these kinds of templates have experienced problems with, and the quickest and easiest solution is to avoid it altogether. Okay? So this is a brief video. I'm planning to keep all of these common mistakes videos brief, but this should help you out on your continued journey and efforts to finish your thesis.